Are you tired of unreliable bottling equipment that fails to meet your production demands? Look no further than iBottling, your trusted source for high-quality bottling machines and exceptional customer service.
As a long-time customer of iBottling-The, I can attest to their reliability and commitment to quality. Their machines have helped us increase efficiency and reduce downtime.
Don't just take our word for it. Check out our customer reference videos and articles on our website, and see for yourself why iBottling is the top choice for bottling plant owners and managers worldwide. With agents located in major regions around the globe, such as Spain, Mexico, Australia, USA, Peru, Russia, and more, iBottling is able to provide local support and service to our customers, no matter where they are. Installation of our machines is quick and easy, with detailed instruction videos available on our website. For those who prefer on-site installation, our team of experienced engineers can assist you in person. And if you ever encounter any issues, our 12-month warranty and free spare parts ensure that you'll be back up and running in no time. Our technicians are also available to provide support over WhatsApp or WeChat, saving you time and money on unnecessary on-site visits. Ready to experience the reliability and peace of mind that comes with iBottling's equipment and customer service? Contact us today to learn more and get started.